Hello traders, and welcome to the Trader Advantage Program overview for Sunday, June 6th. First, a recap of the major news events from Friday. The non-farm payroll came in much lower than analysts had expected. The expectation was for 521,000 jobs to be created, when in actuality only 431,000 were created. This caused equities to sell off for the rest of the trading session. The unemployment rate declined slightly from 9.8% to 9.7%. Over the weekend, the G20 met in Busan, South Korea to discuss how to pull the global economy out of its recent rut. Policymakers are at odds with each other as Treasury Secretary Gaithner has stated that the world cannot expect the cash-strapped U.S. consumer to increase growth. Secretary Gaithner is urging nations to stimulate their own demand and help empower their consumers. Upcoming news releases for the week include housing data from Canada and Australia, employment data from Australia, as well as weekly unemployment claims in the U.S., interest rate announcements and press conferences from the UK and Eurozone, manufacturing and producer prices from the UK, retail sales in the U.S., and all of this peppered with speeches from Fed Chairman Bernanke and RBA Governor Glenn Stevens. Alright, now let's get down to the fun stuff and check in with the charts. On this 4-hour chart, we can see that the euro is definitely in a downtrend. And when switching over to the 1-hour chart, we can see that it is set to open below the neutral swing point, suggesting that near-term bias is also short. The pound, seen here on a 4-hour chart, is showing signs of being overbought. Here on the 1-hour chart, we see that the pound is opening below the neutral swing point, suggesting that there is an initial short bias for the day. The Aussie's 4-hour chart is also looking a bit weak and weary. You can see here that it hit a double top there and has broken down. The 1-hour chart shows that it is also opening below the neutral swing point, suggesting that there is an initial short bias on the pair. The 4-hour loonie chart shows that it is in an uptrend, and we can see that the pair is only 75 pips from hitting the R1 resistance level. The 1-hour chart shows that the pair had a significant rally on Friday and has broken above the 1.0570 level, which was resistance the previous day. The pair is opened above the neutral swing point, suggesting that there is an initial long bias. The Swissy is the one pair that has shown quite a bit of confusion over the past several weeks, as it has struggled to really go anywhere. The 1-hour chart really highlights this very well. As you can see, from May 18th to today, it has stayed within a fairly tight range with a few large spikes. The pair has opened above the neutral swing point, which suggests that there is an initial long bias, which does go in line with the 4-hour trend. So until you see a breakout of it going above R2 or below S2, the pair is really not worth trading. The yen, as seen here on a 4-hour chart, is also another pair that is going nowhere really fast. On the 1-hour chart, we see that since the 25th of May, the pair has been in a slight uptrend, and it has opened right at the neutral swing point, which suggests that there is a mixed bias on the pair. And while I've got you, I'd like to take you through the complimentary trade plan of the day, which will be the euro. We are seeing 25 pip swing moves and are looking to go long above 1.2060 and short below 1.1940. There are no major news releases for the euro. However, a mid-level German factory orders with expectations of negative 0.1% has been known to cause a few ripples for the pair. The report will be released at 06 a.m. Eastern Time. This chart and all the other charts that you've seen today has been brought to you by the LFB's Trader Advantage program exclusively for MetaTrader 4 and is offered through our partner Forex TV. For more info, check the link in the description. Like this video? Got a question? Want to suggest tomorrow's trade plan of the day? Email me, Jason@thelfb.com, and let me know.